Okay, welcome to the smartPerform booth. I'm Harold and I want to show you our collaboration app, which we see here. This is the education app and it's a software tool for meeting and collaboration. And what we see here is we have different features included. So we can include external video sources. We have also wireless sources included. We can connect two rooms together. So these are the features to collaborate. Then, of course, we have whiteboarding. So we have a whiteboard with pen recognition, so I can draw here. Again, I can do this, and also we have recognition of palm recognition included. Then if I don't want to attach a video source, I can also import documents here. So any document type we can import and present, talk about. So this would be for a history class, for example. Okay, it's open already. Or we have some other documents over here. When I'm saving something, it's also ending up in my meeting documents, and I can forward this at the end to a mobile device, or save this or email this to my client or customer. Also, we have applications. We can start external applications. We can use a web browser right here. And at the end, we can do end our session, and we will wipe all the data, and we can start over from scratch when the next person comes in. So this is a education style collaboration app. So thanks for listening, and visit us at www.smartperform.de. Thanks.